Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and 3D is currently trending, right? From web designs to app designs or posters or anything else, everyone is right now using 3D elements, 3D characters or 3D shapes to elevate their designs. So elevate their look and feel of design. But अब हम क्या करें? Just because 3D is in trend, Blender सीखना पड़ेगा क्या? And that's not the thing, because Blender has its own learning curve and it's so steep, to be honest. So is there any software that can make 3D designs easily? Not very okay, actually designs, obviously, actually designs easily. Actually there is, and you can export those 3D design as web assets for using 3Js. So how cool is that? In Blender you can't do that, obviously, but here you can export your components as 3D assets that you can use in web, like web pages, via 3Js, obviously. So let me get straight into the app. So this is plain. On the first look, how cool their website is. Like when you hover over those elements react. How cool is that, right? And obviously you can do this in their software also. I was using spleen for quite for a time now, and they have released their new version update, new alpha 2 version, and gave a lot more features. This software is fairly easy to use. Anyone can learn it in a single day. Obviously you don't have to spend too much time using it, and you can clearly download it for Mac OS M1, Intel, Mac OS Intel, or Windows or Linux, anything that you want. Like not any air device, like any PC or laptop. Okay, not in not in mobile devices, obviously, but yeah, that's it. So obviously you can download that, and uh you may ask, so it is okay to download spleen and all, but how to get started with this software? This is a quite new software, but here their Blender have already quite a few examples or tutorials, right? But if you go to their docs, and their docs is basically a Figma site, if not Figma, basically a Notion site, but whatever. So they have really created a great detailed docs file, and it, to be honest, I have gone through their docs like a couple of times, maybe couple of times, and I have learned all of those like components, or how to use spleen totally. uh Now should I show you some of the designs of mine? Okay, no, let's not show you right now. I will be featuring my designs in another video, because something is really coming soon, so let's wait for that. So that's basically it for this video. Try spleen, let me know if you like it or not. I'm sure you will like it, but because it is too easier to use spleen. And if you like my contents, please subscribe to my channel. And if you know some of the cool apps, cool websites, cool softwares, please let me know about them in the comments below. And bye.